Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP function of MS Excel. We know MS Excel is used to arrange data. Sometimes there are many data from which we want just one particular information. At that purpose, to make the searching easier, we can use VLOOKUP. To use VLOOKUP, we use this formula. First, we'll select the cell where we want the searching result. After that, we will type equal sign. Then we will write VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. Then brackets. After the bracket, we'll select the cell which will contain the search keyword. Means which thing I am going to search, that we have to write in a cell, or a cell filled with data. That cell we will select, or even we can select a word. Suppose I am going to search by serial number, so I am selecting the SL cell. Now after that we'll have a comma. Then we'll select the range from where I am going to search. I am going to search from name, so I will select name. Sometimes it can be more than one column also. I am selecting here just one column, name. After that we'll select which column I am going to use. There is just one column. Suppose if I am selecting the complete table from serial number to address, I am selecting the complete table. Then I am going to here will select from which column I am going to search the information. Here I am going to search the information from name column. So the index of name column is 2, so we will write 2, comma. Now the last information, whether I am going to search a partial information or complete information. Partial information means if we search Rohan and I am writing only RO, the partial information will display this result. And if I am going to search exact that result only, what I am typing, then I will select as false. So I am giving it here true. Then bracket close. After that enter, and you will see here NA means not available. To get some information, we have to write a number in serial number cell. When I will write 1, the Rohan will appear here. As you can see, if I change the number to other like 2, now Priya is there. So this way we can make our searching easier. And for searching address also, we can copy the formula or we can write the formula again here. To write this formula, equal sign, then VLOOKUP, bracket, we will select the serial number, then we will select the table. After that we will select the column number. Here column number because I want to get the address of that particular searched number. So the column number is 3, so we'll write it here 3, and the last value will give as true. So done. You can see number 2 Priya Jorhat. And if I give it here something else 4, so this way we can make our searching very much easier by using VLOOKUP. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.